Low. These law firms are paying anywhere from $10 to $50 per click on Google Ads. Some of these are spending thousands of dollars every single month just to get people to their website. But here's the problem. I clicked through their ads and most of these websites would fail a basic CRO checklist in under 60 seconds. And in this video, I'm going to open some of these websites live and show you exactly what's broken and then show you what a properly optimized law firm homepage actually looks like. Alright, if you run a law firm, manage marketing for one, or you are a web developer building websites for attorneys, this video is going to save you a lot of wasted ad spend. We build high converting SEO optimized websites for law firms and professional service businesses. And today we are doing live audits, no filter. Okay, so before we open anything, here's the checklist I'm going to use. These are the things that directly affect whether a visitor picks up the phone or hits the back button. So here it is. Number one, is there a clear headline that tells me what you do and who you serve? 2. Is the phone number visible without scrolling? 3. Is there a strong CTA about the phone? Number 4. Is there a social proof, reviews, ratings, ears in business? 5. Does the page load fast on mobile? Number 6. Are there trust signals, a word, bar associations, attorney photos? And last but not least, is there a consultation form or a booking option? 7 things. And I picked 3 real law firm websites that are actively running ads showing up in the search right now, specifically to show you how many of these boxes go unchecked. Let's open them up. Alright, so this is the first one, Brown and Dahan. Let me pull it up and run the checklist. So the number 1 is the headline. Get legal advice from aggressive family attorneys. They got a subtext around it. It's really good. But as I scroll down, I don't see any Google rating. I don't see any review count. I don't see client testimonials. For a law firm, social proof is not optional. People are making high-stake decisions and they need to see that other clients trusted you and got results. This page gives nothing. And trust signals. There is no bar association badges, no award logos, no recognition from legal directory or a professional body. If you have credentials and you're not showing them, you're leaving trust on the table, and trust is what converts visitors into consultation. Everything else aside, those 2 gaps alone are enough to kill conversions. Someone clicks an ad, lands here, sees no reviews or credentials, bounces back to the next firm that does have them. Okay, so this is the second one. The previous one at least has some visual structure. This one is almost entirely text, wall to wall, top to bottom, just text. Let's start with the headline. What I see when I land here is this. Are you between the ages of 50 and 62? Have you stopped working and are you unable to work any longer due to severe impairment? And let's keep going on for 3 more lines, all in caps. That is not a headline. That is a paragraph of questions in capital letters. The headline should be one clear, confident statement that tells me I'm in the right place in under 3 seconds. This takes 10 seconds just to read, and by the end I still don't know the name of the firm or why should I trust them. The entire page follows the same pattern. Everything is just block of text stacked up on top of each other with no visual hierarchy, no section that breathes, no way to quickly scan or find what you're looking for. If I want anything, a phone number, a specific service, a way to contact them, I've got to go through the navigation bar and dig. That is a conversion killer. People do not read websites, they scan them. And if scanning does not work, they leave. Now the attorney photo is there, which is good, but it just shows up in the middle of the text-heavy layout, and there's no dedicated section, no name displayed prominently, no title, no story around it. It gets completely lost. Credential, they have them. NOSSCR membership, Colorado Bar, Marion County Bar, but it's listed as plain text in paragraph. No badges, no logos, no visual treatment at all. Credential displayed as text, read like resume, but credential displayed as badges, read like proof. The information is the same, but the psychological impact is completely different. And then, I don't see any Google rating. No reviews, no testimonials from past clients, no consultation form anywhere on the homepage. If someone lands here ready to reach out, and there's no immediate path to do that. This firm clearly has the experience and legitimate credential, but the website is doing absolutely nothing to communicate that in a way visitor can absorb quickly, and that's the gap. This one is actually interesting because it's not all bad. Let's start with what's working. The headline. The headline is solid. It tells me who they serve, what they do. It's really good, and it's changing so people know what kind of work they do. And social proof, they've got it. Reviews visible, ratings showing, client feedback on the page. That's exactly what the first two sites were missing, and you can feel the difference immediately. But here's the problem. Look at this hero image. It's enormous. It's taking up vast majority of the screen on both desktop and on mobile. The image is beautiful. I mean, it's relevant, but it's pushing the actual content, headline, CTA, contact options way down the page. A visitor should not have to scroll just to find out what to do next. Now, attorney photos. It's just one attorney photos in the hero image, and it's changing so people can take a look. And this is a people's business. You're asking someone to trust you with a legal matter, and they can't see a single face on the homepage. Contact form. Not here. If I want to reach out, well, I have to go find it somewhere. That friction matters. Every extra step between you and the visitor is a drop-off point. And bar association badges, they're absent. They've got the social proof side partially covered with reviews, but there's no professional credentials or recognition logos to back it up. So this side is closer than the first two, but it's leaving real conversion behind. Good foundation, but incomplete execution. 3 audits in, and we have seen the same core problem spread across all of them in different combination. Let's look at what it looks like when you get all of it right. So everything I just showed you, the missing social proof, the weak CTAs, the broken mobile experience, and the buried phone number, I had all of this in mind when we built our law firm website template. This is a real demo we built for an actual law firm called Wagner, Falconer & Jude, a firm that's been practicing since 1932. Let me show you how we solve every single one of those problems. So the first thing you see, there's a logo on the left, a phone number top right, and a book an appointment button or a book and consultation button always visible. On mobile, this stays sticky. Whether someone is at the top of the page or scrolled halfway down, they can always call or book. That's how you stop losing warm leads. The headline, Trusted Legal Counsel since 1932, immediately establishes authority. If your firm has been around for decades, this is your biggest trust signal. Put it in the headline, not in a paragraph nobody reads. Right below the headline, Google star rating and review count. This is visible before anyone scrolls. So when someone arrives here from an ad or from the top result, they're skeptical. Social proof in the hero causes through skepticism in seconds. Here comes the testimonial section. Real clients with real names. No generic quotes, real stories from real people. One of them actually is a military veteran, and one is someone who won an employment case. These are the kind of stories that make a hesitant visitor say, this firm gets resolved for people like me. This section alone can double your consultation form completions. Practice areas. Each service has an icon, a clear name, and a one-line outcome-focused description, not just a business law, but we guide businesses through contact, compliance, and governance. You're selling the result, not just the category. And each card links to its dedicated page, which means Google can rank each service independently. That's how you start showing up for searches like commercial collections attorneys in Minneapolis or in California, and instead of just the firm name. Attorney photos or attorney sections. There are photos, names, and titles, simple but powerful. People do not hire law firms, they hire lawyers. Showing the team humanizes the firms and builds personal connection that gets someone to fill out that form. Award bar. Bar association badges, best attorney awards, and recognition logos. Those go right above the contact form, so when someone is about to submit their information, the last thing they see is the proof that this firm is respected and recognized. Booking form. And we close this with a clean consultation form, the phone number repeated, and the address. Multiple ways to reach out because different people prefer different contact methods. Never make someone hunt for how to contact you. So let's bring it back. These three law firms we audited today are real websites with real problems. Missing social proof, weak or non-existent CTAs, no attorney photos, no credential visible, and no clear path to consultation. A properly built law firm homepage does 7 things. Tells you who they are and who they help, shows proof they can be trusted, makes effortless to call or book, works perfectly on mobile, loads fast, and ranks for the high keywords, and last, closes with a clear consultation path. That's exactly what this template does, and this is not just a pretty design. Every section has a conversion reason behind it. If you're a law firm owner watching this and your website looks like the one we audited today, drop a comment or reach out directly. The link to this demo is in the description. Like the video if this was useful, and subscribe if you want more real website audits. I'll see you in the next one.